There's a new place. We're out of our basements. This has been a really tough storm season for us. There hasn't been much. And here.
Nothing. Nothing's happening at all.
Sorry, we didn't score any lightning bolts. Actually, I didn't score any lightning bolts, this guy. But the gang did. So here's some shots of what they caught in August. So the last time we posted anything was the night that Justin and I chased lightning to the power plant, the Apollo Beach power plant, and Justin had a camera accident.
My camera fell over. We were shooting Apollo Beach thunderstorms, probably one of the craziest thunderstorms we've ever tried to photograph. And the original plan was, so you see this little neoprene rubber guy here. This is from a company called Peak Design. And I had bought this earlier in the week. I didn't put it on my camera. That's basically what happened. So I created this hot shoe mount, or I drilled a hole through the neoprene, and then I sealed it off with the two pieces here. And this is a cold shoe mount that it's going through. And earlier in the week, I had tested it on like a lighter storm, and I didn't really get any bolts or anything, but I had tested it. And so when Chris and I chased, the plan was for me to get out and put this on the camera so I could leave the camera shooting. Well, as you guys saw, that didn't happen. I tried to use a rain jacket, and then I ended up throwing another rain jacket while I was on the ground, but that didn't help save it.
If you saw the video, lots of other stuff went wrong. But that was the premise on why the camera was left out in the elements, is because that was a starting point, and everything just kind of went to hell after that. But anyway, Justin got his camera fixed, and I'll let him tell you about it right here.
I took my camera to the Camera Cure in St. Petersburg, Florida, and he had it for about a week, 2 weeks. He went into the camera, Mark is his name, and he went into the camera and he looked at the chips, and one of the power chips was bad. But then when we replaced the power chip, we found out 2 other chips in the camera were bad. So he went through the camera with very close detail. It ended up being those 3 chips. So I spent about $350 on it. He had it back to me as soon as he had the parts in. He had it back to me very quickly, and I'm super happy with the work. The camera's been working fine. I've been shooting with it and putting it and testing it, and I've shot a few storms and gotten photos with it. So thankfully the shutter block inside of it wasn't cracked or broken, but he went through and he checked everything and there was no other water damage. So because that card slot opened, that's why those chips on the bottom of the camera got wet. And yeah, when they got wet, they needed to be replaced, and I got them replaced, and now the camera is working. So
August is the best month for lightning in Florida, a lightning alley here. But unfortunately for us in Southwest Florida, a high pressure system parked itself over the Gulf and kind of shut down our lightning for the first week or 2 in August. And then mid-month, there was a little bit on the East Coast, a little bit on the West Coast, and then late August, Hurricane Dorian came and sucked all the moisture just right out of the state. So it hasn't been a very good August, our best lightning chasing month, and it hasn't been very good. You saw the shots of what some of the guys got, some of the bolts that the guys got. But it's not over yet. Hopefully September and October will give us something. We want to take you guys along on the storm chasing, but unfortunately it's been pretty bad this year. Hopefully September and October have something left and we'll take you along, and that'll be fun. We also have a lot of reviews coming up. Damon is running around with the latest mirrorless Nikon.
So we're gonna do like Canon EOS R review. We want to do the Blackview dash cam. We're also gonna do the Atomos Ninja 5. We're gonna maybe do some other tutorials, so stick around, subscribe, make sure you comment, like the video if you like it. Thanks for watching, everybody.